What's up? So tell me showing the top Android tweaks for iOS 11 up to iOS 15. Some of these tweaks probably do work on iOS 16, but keep in mind you just at your own risk, and I'm not responsible or developer not responsible for what happens to your guys' device. So first tweak is called Aperturize, and this is adjustable focus for portrait mode. So this does say it supports iOS 11 to 16.2. You can see some screenshots of what the tweak actually does, what it looks like. So it requires a device which can take portrait photos, either multi-cam device or single camera devices paired with a portrait XI. So this gives you the iPhone XR or XS, the adjustable depth or field for portrait mode pitch due to dual camera iPhones. You can control the blur level simple by using a slider in the Photos app. This works all the way back to iOS 11. So pretty much should work on iOS 11 up to iOS 16.2. Feature only work on iOS 12 and up. On iOS 13, you also get these features, which is hide key mono mode filter, portrait lighting intensity control when editing portrait photos, and you have some also FAQs for you to ask questions with some answers. This is called Floating Dock XVI, and this does support iOS 15 to 16.2. Some screenshots of it. So Floating Dock on iOS 16, you can choose your style between recent, library, or both, or it's iOS 15 and 16. Hide dock background, hide separator, choose match recent apps, choose match stock apps. This series called Portrait XI, version 420. Oh man. It's a single camera portrait mode tweak. Come on, scroll down. Supports iOS 11 up to 16.2 today. Oh, come on. I'm trying to scroll over. Guys, bear with me. I don't know what's going on. It's like very laggy. Okay. So this is the screenshot. Some funny screenshots. I mean, it's not a bad picture. Most of these are actually pretty good pictures. So this tweak does definitely improve your picture taking skills. Requires less of the skill part, but it does make the pictures look really nice. It's a single camera portrait mode, requires iPhone 6s and above. It's limited and experimental, works best on human pictures, does not support real-time blur previews. So this is a unique tweak that allows you to take real portrait mode pictures on single camera devices. Generally native portrait mode requires dual camera devices with exception of iPhone XR. With this tweak, you guys can get the real portrait mode photos on your old device. So you could read all about it. There's some frequently asked questions. This is obviously a little outdated because it should work, as you can see, I think up to iOS 16.2 from iOS 11 to 16.2. So you can put any questions towards iOS 15. And they actually used to be a you also can reach email them for any questions or whatever. You also have their email, developer's email, and their developer's Twitter. So there actually used to be like a whole bunch of videos attached to this. Like in my video, I actually have one of my videos attached here, so it's a little more reviews. Might be right here. They might have changed it. So one of these might be my videos, because I actually made a video this week. So I'm not sure if the developer actually still has my video down there. It'd be cool if it did. But yeah, this tweak's actually pretty. This tweak's called Pad Grid, and what this tweak does, it increases the home screen icon grid size for like an iPad. Hopefully it works on iPad OS 15 up. So I just want to let you guys know that it still supports iOS 4.x to 14.x. You see it's been updated since January of 2021. So I did find out a tweak by the developer, which is Ivano Bishili. Definitely pronounced that wrong. Ivano Belenci. They did actually put a tweet saying they are updating this tweak for iOS 15 support. So this tweak does pretty much clear out like your storage and space, and saves you like a ton of space. So run this tweak on a daily. It's like an app from Cydia, but it's a tweak, and you guys run this. You guys can save a ton of space. So, and it should be updated for iOS 15 pretty soon. Alright, next tweak's called Doodoo. Version 2.4.1. Actually should be version 3.0.3. There we go. Doodoo version 3.03 or later. This supports iOS 14 to 15.9. So supports iOS 14 up. It's a perfect lock screen tweak with everything you guys need. You have these features right here. And this is what it looks like.